Okay, 3.2b box and whisker plots. I can create box and whisker plots. I can interpret the data with box and whisker plots as well. This is an example of a box and whisker plot. It's called a box and whisker plot because it's got two boxes, two rectangles, and two lines that look like whiskers on the cat. Okay, now on each whisker is 25% of your data, and that's formed by the minimum and quartile 1. The maximum point and the quartile 3 gives you 25% of the data up there. Between quartile 1 and quartile 2 is your 25%, and between quartile 2 and quartile 3, or your upper quartile, is another 25%. Okay, so 25, 25, 25, 25, because we're breaking these into 4 sections, or 4 quarters. Okay, now, quartile 2 is a term we've done before. It's called your median. It's in the middle of the data. Make sure that you order your data from smallest to lowest. Okay, so here's how you create your box and whisker. You arrange the orders from least to greatest. Find the median, or quartile 2. Quartile 1 and quartile 3 are medians of the upper data and lower data. We'll talk about that here in a little bit. To plot, you'll need your minimum number, you'll need your maximum number, and you'll need the 3 quartiles. And eventually you'll draw those into a box and whisker. And it's the quartile 1, median, and quartile 2 that form your box. It's the min and the max that help form your whiskers. Okay, so let's start off with a set of data here, and I'm going to go and I'm going to order it from the smallest, 5, 7, 9, 11, and I believe there's 2 11s. There we go. 12, 16, 17, 19, 25, 28, and 34. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here is my middle, which is going to be my median. I'll take the average of those two, so I'll take 12 plus 16, 28, divided by 2, and get 14. Now, I've got my lower numbers, and I've got my upper numbers, and I mean by lower and upper is from the median, the middle. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers that I'm going to find the middle of, and it's right here. Okay, you can count in, find that middle. So my quartile 1 is going to be the average of 9 plus 11 divided by 2, or 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers out in front. There's my upper median. So quartile 3 is going to be average of 19 plus 25 divided by 2. So 34 over 2, so 17. I got my upper number here of 34. Got my lower number here of 5. Okay, now the range is the biggest minus the smallest.